Reclaiming screens is the last step in finishing a print job. Let's go over two methods of reclaim, with a dunk tank and with a washout booth. Before you start reclaiming screens, make sure to get all of the ink off of them. Cart off as much ink as you can, then use a press wash like Screen Supreme and a paper towel or rag to clean off the rest. Here is a quick tour of the washout booth setup. We're using a washout booth with backlighting so we can see the screen a lot better while reclaiming. We'll be using screen emulsion remover and screen stuff to reclaim our screens, as well as a power washer and a couple of dedicated scrub brushes. I'm going to spritz emulsion remover onto both sides of the screen and give it a good scrub. Wait at least 30 seconds for the emulsion remover to continue to work. Make sure not to let the emulsion remover dry on the screen. Now let's hit it with a pressure washer. If there's still some emulsion left over, repeat the process. Once all the emulsion is gone from your screen, it's time to dehaze and degrease. Screen stuff is great because it does both in one step. The process is simple. Spritz, scrub, wait, and pressure wash. Wait up to 3 minutes before power washing. Dunk tanks make the reclaim process faster, and it saves emulsion remover over time by keeping it all contained instead of spraying it on the screen and washing it off. You can either dip screens in or put multiple in at the same time and use a hold down to keep them submerged. You can keep screens submerged up to 24 hours, but the best results are seen within minutes. The dunk tank can hold up to 72 gallons of water and 3 gallons of screen emulsion remover. Place the screens in the dunk tank and use the hold downs to keep them in place. This tank can hold up to 6 screens. After the dunk tank, scrub and power wash to clean the screen of emulsion. Make sure there's no leftover emulsion or residue on the screen. Hit it with some screen stuff to dehaze and degrease in one step. Using your dunk tank is a great way to multitask and increase your efficiency. Now that our screens are clean and degreased, we'll pop them into the screen rack to dry for the next job. Thanks for watching, screen printers. If you found this video helpful, you won't want to miss our comprehensive online course, How to Screen Print with a Kit 250 Edition, available exclusively on screenprinting.com. Watch today for free and take your skills to the next level.